In traditional Chinese culture, food culture is closely related to family relationships and is regarded as a key link in maintaining intergenerational communication within the family. By cooking and eating together, family members inherit family customs and culture, and deepen their feelings towards each other. Intergenerational communication has many benefits for both the younger and older generations, especially for families living in remote areas. Based on the actual situation, we used AR to propose some design prompts to enhance intergenerational communication through remote cooking. We introduced 3 functions of this prototype. First, the countdown card function, where the elders put the necessary ingredients into the cart, and the children can buy or prepare the relevant ingredients based on the menu card. Second, the task progress card function, where the child can also set the duration of each step and will receive reminders when the time is up. Finally, the topic card function, which provides relevant prompts when we run out of things to say, avoiding silence and enlivening the atmosphere.
妈妈，今天不是我的生日嘛，我想要把朋友邀请到我家里，然后给他们做顿饭。
好的呀，记得你以前也很喜欢吃番茄炒包菜肉丝啊，这几个菜你买了没有呢？
买了，今天刚买的，给你看看。
哦，那你就先把肉解冻一下吧。
好，解冻要多久呀？
差不多10分钟吧。哦，对了，西红柿到时候要处理一下，画一个十字，对，然后加热水泡它5分钟，把皮剥一下。
好，
这好剥很多。
对了，妈妈，你们最近身体健康什么的还好吗？
还好，我每天都去做运动，打太极啊，唱歌啊，跳舞啊，有时候。
我都把这些东西都准备好啦。
准备好，那你就可以开炉了。这样放油，放点蒜啊、姜啊，然后把肉倒进去，然后炒几下，很香哈、我都闻到了。然后把它翻一下，差不多了，就把包菜倒进去，还有西红柿。
现在把它们一起放进去吗？
对呀。
看上去差不多熟了，下一步呢？
对，色香味都有了，熟了就起锅了。做的不错，给你一个赞。香啊，可以开饭了。
好，那我就先跟朋友们去吃饭啦，拜拜。
好的，好，拜拜。